You guys see it? It's snowing a little bit, raining a little bit. I think it's sleet. I don't think it's cold enough for snow. Now I'm home pulling this bad boy off. I see you, buddy. I see you for 48 bucks. Appreciate you, brother. Got this lower, it's not a control arm. What is this? Sway bar. There we go. Sway bar bushing, right? This is sway bar bushing. Or is that the bushing? No, sway bar linkage. Sway bar end link. There we go. That's what this is called. So I had to pop that bad boy out. She didn't want to come out easy first, so had to give her a little love and onto this. It's a little bracket mount for the brake line and these two main bolts. And then I might need a clamp because this upper knuckle, I think, right? Knuckle. Then these are gonna need to come out. That way it allows this to come free. So we'll see what needs to happen, but so far so good. Making progress.